and welcome to today's Speaker Card reading. Today's topic is why do people stare at you? For that, as usual, we have three piles. Pile number one, judgment. Pile number two, King of Cups. Pile number three, Ten of Wands. Guys, if you like my content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Now, let's get started. Hello, Paiwan. Let's see, why do people stare at you? Okay, starting with the astro dice as usual. A lot of you are risk takers and adventurers. Gemini, Libra. So, a lot of air signs. You know what? Why people stare at you? I'm seeing you guys have that vivacious, charming nature. Charming, vivacious, alluring. Someone who is very easily attractive. Like you, I'm seeing like you guys have had no problem attracting or getting whoever you wanted in life. That's the first thing, and that's why people stare at you. There is something very youthful, very exuberant about you, which makes people stare at you right off the bat. Look at you, you're bursting with sparkly new ideas. Wow, you guys have you are the kind of people who are very gregarious, very social, a social butterfly. Okay, also a very good arm candy. So people, especially if you are single, people stare at you because they would love to be in their love to have you in their arms. So naturally people stare at you from the romantic angle as well. Like you guys are awesome arm candies for sure. Like you make the other person look so much better than they already are. Like seriously, you make others look so much better. You guys know how to balance your professional, personal, everything. Like you guys tend to, okay, Libra was there, right? You guys can compartmentalize your life. You're very mature, very evolved without being very serious all the time. But you guys are very mature and evolved. Wow. Wow, wow. Nine of Pentacles. You are the kind of person who is, this card gives me the vibes of milk and honey. You are walking in the right path of abundance, and that makes people stare at you, that this is a person who has gotten their life all figured out. That's what goes through their mind when they're staring at you, when they look at you. That people stare at you because you guys are resplendent in your own glory. You guys are, I'm seeing a lot of you are known to be very talkative, very very eloquent, very vibrant, colorful. Nine of Cups, you are the kind of person who are very, there are a lot of people who are very, how shall I put it? You have a lot of admirers who are just besotted. They stare at you because they are in love. You guys are very attractive, personality wise, looks wise, both. Like, especially for a female, the expression that beauty with brains. You are, my dear pile number one, you guys are one of its kind. Seriously, you are one of its kind. Seven of Cups, you guys are awesome manifestors. You know what people think looking at you? This person has literally, a lot of you are living their dream life. You are the person of their dreams. For both reasons. Wow, wow. A telltale Gemini. I'm seeing a lot of Aquarius and Gemini, very liberal, very liberated, very progressive, very genuine, authentic, ahead of their times. Someone who is bright and beautiful, like gorgeous, bright, resplendent in their own glory, kind of beautiful. A beautiful butterfly unfurling their wings. That's how I can see you, and people notice that about you. People literally think that, when people stare at you, people feel that this is the most beautiful side that we are experiencing today. That's how they feel. You're also very good with money. Why do people stare at you? You know, you have the perfect brains, along with your beauty, along with your, a lot of you are very conveniently good looking. I'm hearing a lot of admirers, especially you guys are the kind of people, even in a lip gloss and a, like a basic outfit, you guys are capable of turning multiple heads. That's the way you look, and that makes you stand out, and that's why people stare at you. You tend to stand out in the crowd. You know, you give off a lot of starry vibes for sure. Why do people stare at you? Oh my god. Oh my god. Ace of Wands. Don't you see how your passion makes you glow? You know, you come across as somebody who is very, very passionate, who is extremely, you know, you guys are very passionate and determined. Once you decide, okay, so this is what I want, nothing and nobody can stop you from achieving your goals. You guys are extremely dedicated, very, very passionate. You're very passionate about life. You are very passionate about what you do, your work, everything. Like, for you, you genuinely believe that you only live once, so let's just live it to the fullest on your own terms. You are a true blue believer of that. Okay. King of Pentacles. True success isn't just about money, it's about happiness too. Exactly. You guys are the kind of people who know how to prioritize their own happiness. A lot of you guys are seen as a little capricious, a little unconventional. A lot of you probably work from home or work at a place or in a profession which is a little unconventional. Nowadays a lot of professions are there. You could sell stuffs online, run a blog or a vlog, and have literally you can work at your own pace, at your own ease, and still make a very handsome living out of it. A lot of you are that way, and that makes people stare at you because people just do not get what you do in general. Protest, start a revolution. You guys are seen as rebels. You guys are seen as revolutionaries. You are the kind of people who are willing to do whatever it takes in order to achieve their goals and missions. You guys are seen as rebels in general. Somebody who is willing to go that extra mile in order to achieve their goals and missions and visions of life. Take control of your own narrative. You guys are the kind of people who are very autonomous. You know what? You are very independent, very self reliant. You are the kind of people who cannot, like, others can never control you. That makes you that sense of self reliance, that sense of independence. You're fiercely independent, that you exude, that makes people stare at you. Wow, you have very strong sense of boundaries. You do not, you know what, even in today's day and age, a sense of the concept of boundary in a relationship is almost not prevalent, and it's almost irrelevant. I'm seeing you are seen as one of those people who do not believe in transgressing their boundaries whatsoever. Princess, be your own knight. You can be your own knight. You can be your own knight on shining armor. You guys are seen as those people who do not need a knight on shining armor. You are somebody who can be that for your own self and do not need others for that. And that's why people stare at you like, nah, I don't need others all the time. I am very, like, you're fiercely independent. It's your independent streak that makes you very attractive, that makes you stand out, and hence people stare at you. Remember to practice self love. Wow. Exactly. You guys are the kind of, I'm seeing a lot of you are into white magic, into crystal healing, herbs, then tarot, astrology, those kind of stuffs. Also, like doing things for your own self, for your own betterment and well-being. Also, you guys are the kind of people who genuinely believe that you are, you know, you are the kinds who tend to practice self love no matter what. You are the kind who tend to practice self love. You genuinely believe that self love is something that one should practice no matter what. That is the kind of belief I can see. Alright, guys, I hope you've got some clarity. If yes, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 2. Let's see, why do people stare at you? Okay, starting with the Astrodice. Experience joy. I hope it's visible. Virgo, Pisces. A lot of Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn can be seen. I'm seeing you guys are very, you guys are very nice people. In the sense, also what I'm seeing is you guys are also very sincere, nice, very disciplined kind of people who are, you're very capable at what you do, but you are also not the kind who would take all the credit. You are not a publicity hog, but you're very, like, you're the kind who would put their head down and get the job done. You guys are like the worker bees, and that's why people stare at you, that this is a person who is very humble, who is very modest, but they are also very good at what they do. They are also very capable, very reliable, very dependable. Someone who has come a long way in life. Of course, you have leveled up the world card. Absolute leveling up. A lot of you probably have started to travel very frequently, or in the process of starting to travel very frequently. And also, you guys are the kind of people who have leveled up on their own terms without any help, without, like, nothing was handed down to them. That is something, that's why people really admire you. You're also very wise. Your wisdom, confident. Okay, so you guys are okay. Hope, you guys are coming from a place who literally gives hope to a lot of people who are now struggling. So I'm seeing you're coming from a place of struggle. Your life was once filled with battles which you fought to reach where you have, and people stare at you because they respect your journey. They respect the wisdom and confidence that you bring on table. It would take a hell of a lot more to defeat you. Exactly. You guys are seen as an indefeatable, unbreakable kind of people. Someone who cannot be defeated easily, who can literally, who can take on anybody. You might break, but you will not give up. Like, you have not lost until you give up. That is your motto in life. Ten of Pentacles, having it all looks different to everybody. So exactly, you guys are the kind of people, I'm seeing a lot of you are very private people. A lot of Scorpio, of course, very mysterious. People stare at you because they try to decode you. They cannot decode you. People know about you a lot more rather than knowing you, the person. I'm seeing a lot of you probably do not talk to everybody a lot, but with some people whom you trust. Other than that, you probably don't talk to people, outsiders, that often. A lot of you are a very animal pet kind of a person, someone who prefers the company of their pets rather than being in the company of other humans. A lot of you prefer that. Six of Wands, you're very ambitious. That is something that shows that this is a person who is so ambitious, so resilient, so determined at achieving things on their own terms. You guys are one of its kind of people. King of Cups, you are the kind of person who is literally, I'm seeing you guys are the kind of people had to go up. Like, you hold a lot of king and queen vibes, very confident, very versatile, very disciplined, someone who has taken a lot of heat and have come a long way, but you haven't forgotten where you came from. So that is something I can see also. Why people stare at you is, this is a person who have come a long way, and you, a lot of you went to a different country or a continent, or some of you got your success, or have just in your mid to late 30s to your 40s, you started seeing things move a little. Like a lot of you, your, we call it the the sunrise, the bhagyodaya, the sunrise of your luck, the rise of luck has happened. In your case, in the late 30s, mid 30s, a lot of you have a very significant Saturn position, which can also a retrograde Saturn at the 10th or the first house, someone who has really had to work very hard to reach where they have today. A lot of you are very private people, you love isolation, and that's why people stare. Like, I'm seeing you are probably not exactly a very group person. You probably prefer your own company, and people just cannot decode you very easily. That's why they stare at you a lot more. Ace of Cups, do you feel that in your heart? That's potential, dear. You have a lot of potential. People stare at you because you are the kind of person who is a modest person, modest but an achiever. Someone who wouldn't really be very flashy about their achievements. Very modest, but like seeing you from outside, nobody will be able to say that, you know what. Mm, I have that they have done so much. You do not blow your own trumpet. I'm seeing you have a lot of admirers. Like, people are a little bewildered when they hear, oh my god. I mean, there are some people who are at a very high position in life, but they dress in such a modest manner that nobody will know that they are at a such high officer grade person. You are one of those people. King of Wands. Shine your inner candlelight bright enough for others to follow. Exactly. You are one of those people who do not shine, who do not shy away from shining their inner light of wisdom, of knowledge. You're seen as someone very wise, someone very knowledgeable. A lot of teachers, a lot of mentors who has survived a certain industry for a long time period, a lot of you are seen as such. Tidy up your life so you can make space for something better. Exactly, you guys, I'm seeing a lot of you are very much into organization, dusting, cleaning. Someone who does a lot of deep cleaning, like spring cleaning, autumn cleaning, those kind of, somebody who feels like, a messed up desk means a messed up head. A lot of you believe that, so you try to tidy up as much, you try to organize, you try to tidy things up as much as you possibly can. That is something I can see in you, and that is something that people also notice, that this is a person who is so organized about their life, about everything. And people are literally, when they get to know you, you are somebody who genuinely believes in simple living and high thinking. Literally, that's your mantra for life. A lot of you are very well blessed, are very well educated, but you believe in simple living and very high thinking. Ace of Pentacles. Wow, what an abundant opportunity. Exactly. You guys are the kind of people who are known for their abundance. You are the kind of person who are literally walking on the path of abundance and success in their life. You are seen as somebody who is abundant in nature in general. All right. King of Cups, always compose yourself before giving a response. You're also someone who is very sorted, especially in their head. You are a very sorted person. Someone who is very sorted, someone who knows what their worth is, someone who is very acutely aware of who they are and how far they have come in this life. Like, you are a person who cannot be triggered by others. I'm seeing a lot of people are today very jealous because they thought that you will probably not be able to amount to anything, and to their dismay, you are doing so much better than what you did last year, last time they saw you. So I'm seeing a lot of jealousy coming your way, which you sense, and you do not really react to it much. That is also something I can see. You're kind of a big deal, so start acting like it. Exactly, you are seen as somebody who is like, you are a big deal. You are not just kind of a big deal. I'm seeing a lot of people literally looking up to you. You are the star. You are seen as somebody who tend to inspire a lot of people, and that's why people stare at you, because they are like, oh my god, if this person can, so can we. Given the kind of impediments that they have seen, if this person, you are like a role model for a lot of these people. All right guys, I hope you've got some clarity. If yes, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 3. Let's see, why do people stare at you? Starting with the Astrodice. Bright explorer, strength and fortitude. Libra, you guys are the kind of people who are seen as very bright, very exploring type, someone who is strong, who is resilient, someone who is also very balanced. You know what? You guys are seen as very explorer type. You guys are seen as very balanced explorer, someone who is strong and resilient. You are the kind of person. Why do people stare at you? It's your strength of character. Someone who is bright, someone who is intellectual, cerebral, very classy people. At the same time, someone who has no problem standing out in the crowd just because of the way you are. Okay, so why do people stare at pile number 3? Okay, you are very courageous. Who is not afraid to face whatever comes their way? That makes you stand out. You're a very well dressed person. Okay, someone who is very well dressed, very classy, very well dressed, looks dapper in whatever they wear. Someone, the devil card indicates that there is a sense of illusion about you. There is something which people just cannot, a mystery, an illusion element, which people also makes people stare. You are the kind of person, like, no matter how many times life punches you in the gut, you believe in moving on and moving ahead in life. You are the kind of people who are not deterred by the impediments on the way that life throws. Wheel of fortune, you have turned the wheels of fortune in your favor in your life with your own hard work, passion, and determination. You are the kind of people who have literally managed to turn the wheels of fortune in your favor. The sun card, the sun is somebody who is bright, who is resplendent, someone who is like, you have no problem standing out. Like, you can go and stand at a place and things will start working out for you in your favor. What makes people stare at you? Okay, you're also a very good parent, especially if you are a female. You can be very maternal. I'm seeing you are very good with kids. You're very good with animals. And that makes people stare at you. Especially if you are a parent, then you are a fantastic parent. If you're not, then, and if you choose to be one, you will make a fantastic parent. That's why people say, like, people literally feel that a lot of them, they would love to have a family with you. Especially it's relevant for those who are interested and are in that age bracket. It's not for everybody. With you're very responsible and hardworking, who have always carried you are that 3 a.m. friend. You are that true friend in need. A lot of you are the kind of people who are so responsible that you bought the house for your father or mother, for your parents. You have bought your house for your parents. A lot of you have done that. You have really leveled up in life. You have literally managed to level up and like literally go up in life and achieve things. Compliments from an admirer. You are somebody who has a lot of admirer in, like, you have a lot of admirer. What makes people stare at you is, I'm seeing a lot of you are very classy people. Maybe just a string of pearls around your neck, or maybe a very good jacket or a coat, and like always very well dressed in a classy manner. Red lips, beautifully done hair, slick ponytail or slick bun, especially for females. Nicely done, minimalistic, glowy makeup, good skin, good hair, something that elevates your style. You have a lot of admirers, and that's why, like, you are the romantic interest for a lot of people. You are being admired even in a platonic way, because you're very admirable. Your qualities are very, very admirable indeed. Slowly but surely, you're getting ahead. Exactly, you guys are getting ahead in life. You guys are getting on and are doing, you guys are seen as achievers in your life. Shown your potential is endless. You are seen as somebody who has a lot of potential about them. You are the kind of person who has a lot of potential about them, and that I'm seeing this potential card twice probably. You could say, whether it's coming for the second time, you have a lot of potential. People stare at you because they think that you can really achieve bigger and better things. You are literally cut out and you're meant for better things in life. Feast. Slow down and celebrate yourself. You are one of those people who believes in celebrating your own success. You also, like, you believe in celebrating your own life, not just success, both success and failures, your own life in general. Homeward, take yourself out on a date. You are seen as a person who literally, I'm seeing a lot of you tend to take yourself out on a, like, a solo date, a solo pampering session, like giving yourself that pampering, that that extra love, care, respect, which you feel you very rightly deserve. You can always rewrite the story. You guys have literally rewritten the story of your life. You are the kind of people who have managed to rewrite the story of your life in general. I'm always enough. Do not doubt your worth. You guys are the kind of people who are more than enough. You guys are the kind of people who are, you are the kind of people who never really, you're very sure of your own self. It's your self assured nature that makes people stare at you, that makes people really think like, oh my god, who is this person? Like, moment you enter the room, a lot of people feel like, you know what, who is this person, who are they? Evil queen, you deserve sugar and not salt. Exactly. This is what people feel. Like, you guys, you are somebody who do not tolerate any kind of insult and nonsense from others. So you know how to give a tit for tat. Like, you, like somebody being salty with you, you know how to give it right back in their own currency. That makes you, like, really, that's a very special ability. Sarcasm, quick wit, quick sarcasm, those kind of things are very much your forte, and that makes you stand out and make people stare at you. Don't seek anyone's approval. You are truly somebody who lives their life on their own terms. You do exactly what you please, and that is something why, that is one of the reasons why people stare at you. Stand up for yourself. You are one of those people who tend to always stand up for themselves and are not afraid to speak up. You do not need another person for standing up for you. You are very much capable of doing things on your own. Eight of Wands, light a fire underneath your cauldron and go, go, go. Exactly. You guys are very ambitious. You are one of its kind, extremely ambitious people. Those someone who knows like this is who I am, this is what my worth is. Call me what you want, but I am not gonna accept any kind of nonsense from you or anyone else. That is your mindset, and people notice that. People admire that about you, by the way. Okay, 10 of wands. Why make things so much more difficult than they need to be? Exactly. You guys are the kind of people, why do people stare at you? Is you are a person who believes in simplifying in this already hyper complicated world. You are somebody who believes in simplifying stuffs rather than complicating it even further. And that's why people stare at you. Like, you're very, you are somebody who is a very simplistic kind of a person, kind of like who do not believe in a lot of complicated stuffs any whichever way. All right, guys, I hope you've got some clarity. If yes, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste.